red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. Green frog, green frog.
Jamie,
Green.
Sam's reading to you.
Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me.
Jamie.
What do you want, Jane?
Oh well, so much for the reading.